Hi there and welcome back to my channel, English Learning Academy. Your home is made up of so many things. How can you start naming them all? Learning the English words for all the different rooms and items in your house is a challenge, but getting started is easy. We'll look at basic vocabulary for talking about your house and the things in it. Next, we will learn how to describe a house. Let's start. Dining room, the room where meals are eaten. Bedroom, where the bed is, of course. Bathroom, any room with a toilet and sink. Attic, the room at the highest part of a house, below the roof. Basement, a level below the ground level of a house. Den, a room with comfortable furniture for relaxing. Driveway, the short road next to a house where you can park a car or drive it into the garage. Garage, the building where you can keep a car. Hall, a hall or hallway is a narrow space that connects rooms. Kitchen, the room where you store and prepare food. Living room, a living room is a room for relaxing or entertaining guests. Porch, a covered outdoor space. Roof, the covering on the top of a house. Stairs or stairway, the set of steps that connect different levels of a house. Yard, the outdoor area of the front, back, or side of a house. Now, let's learn how we can use these words. Listen to Jack. Jack, please talk about your house.
My house has a living room and a hall on the first floor, along with a dining room, bathroom, and kitchen. Upstairs, there are bedrooms, a den, and stairs leading to the ground floor. Outside, there is a yard and a garage.
Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. English bathroom vocabulary. Now that we know what the different parts of a house are, let's look at some furniture and objects you might find in the most common rooms of a house. Bathroom furniture and fixtures. By the way, furniture usually means bigger objects around the house that you might sit on, lie on, or put things on. But in some rooms, like the bathroom, the furniture you find might be more like a part of the room, something attached to the wall or floor. A piece of furniture like this is called a fixture. Bathtub, the large container you fill with water to take a bath. Most bathtubs have a faucet or tap where water comes out, and a shower head that sprays water from above. Counter, almost any raised, fixed surface that you use while standing. Mirror, the glass surface where you can see yourself, your reflection. Shower, a shower stall or a small room where you can shower. Sink, the basin or bowl fixture where you wash your hands. Toilet, a fixture with a bowl, a seat, a lid, and a handle for flushing water down the bowl. You know what it's for. Now it's time for bathroom items. Toilet paper, the soft roll paper that you use to clean yourself after using the toilet. Toothbrush, the small brush you use to clean your teeth. Towel, a cloth you use to dry yourself. Hand towels are smaller towels that you use to dry your hands. Bath towels are the large towels you use to dry your whole body. Soap, you use to clean yourself in the bath or shower. Washcloth, a small cloth for cleaning yourself in a bath or shower. Now listen to Sarah. She wants to describe her bathroom.
My bathroom is equipped with a toilet, sink, and a large mirror above the counter. There is also a shower and bathtub for guests to use. A roll of toilet paper is provided, Along with towels and washcloths, guests can find soap and a toothbrush and toothpaste in the bathroom as well.
Now let's learn English bedroom vocabulary. Bed, the soft surface where you sleep. Closet, a small room where you can hang clothes. Dresser, a piece of furniture with drawers where you keep folded clothes. Wardrobe, a tall piece of furniture with doors that you can hang clothes inside. Bedroom items. Comforter, a covering that goes on top of a bed. Lamp, any light with a light bulb and cord that plugs into the wall. Pillow, a pillow on a bed is usually where you put your head when you sleep. Sheets, the thin coverings that go over the mattress but under the top covering. Let's listen to Mike. He wants to describe his bedroom.
The bedroom has a comfortable bed with soft sheets and a warm comforter. Guests can rest their head on fluffy pillows and adjust the lamp for the perfect lighting. There is also a spacious closet and dresser for storing clothes, and a wardrobe for hanging garments.
English den or living room vocabulary. Armchair, a large soft chair that has arms. Coffee table, a low table usually placed in front of a couch. Couch, a long soft piece of furniture with arms. Some people might call a couch a sofa. Side table or end table. Side table or end table is a table meant to sit next to a couch or an armchair. Like with a coffee table, you can place drinks or other items here. Den or living room items. Television or TV. Television or TV can refer to the device with the screen you use to watch movies or shows. It can also refer to TV shows in a larger way. TV remote or remote control, the controller for the TV that lets you turn it off or on and change channels. Rug, a soft decorative covering that goes on the floor. Carpet. Carpet and rug can mean the same thing, but usually carpet means a covering for the whole floor, while a rug is smaller. Now let's listen to Jessica.
The living room has a sofa and armchair for sitting, a coffee table for drinks and snacks, a couch and side table for more seating and storage, a TV to watch, and a soft rug to make the room cozy and comfortable.
English dining room vocabulary. Dining room table, a table meant for eating, usually large enough to fit chairs for at least 4 people. Dining room items. Cups, any drinking container made of anything except clear glass. Dish, a dish can be almost any kind of item that you eat food off of or serve food on. Glass, any kind of drinking container made of glass. Napkin, a cloth that you place on your lap while eating or use to wipe your mouth. Silverware, tools for eating, including forks, spoons, and knives. Now let's listen to Sam.
Our dining room is where we eat and talk with others. We use silverware, cups, and glasses to eat and drink. The table is the main part of the room where we sit and enjoy our food. We use napkins to clean our hands and mouths, and dishes to hold our food. The dining room is a place for sharing meals and having good conversations.
English kitchen vocabulary. Cabinets. Cabinets are the storage spaces with doors you find in a kitchen, where you might keep food or cooking equipment. Floor. Every room in a house has a floor that you walk on, because if it didn't, you'd fall into the room below. Oven, the closed space used for baking. Pantry, a pantry can be a larger cabinet or a whole separate room or closet. Refrigerator, food that needs to be kept cold and stored in the refrigerator. Most refrigerators have an attached freezer for keeping food frozen. Stove, the The surface you use for cooking or heating food. Kettle. A kettle is used for heating water, usually for tea. Microwave. A small oven that heats food really fast. Pots and pans. A pan can also be called a skillet and is used for frying things on the stove, like eggs. A pot is a deeper metal container used for heating food on the stove. A saucepan is deep like a pot, but usually has a handle that sticks out. Toaster. A toaster is a machine with slots for heating bread. It's your turn, Ben. Please start.
Our kitchen is where we cook and prepare our food using appliances like the microwave, oven, stove, and toaster. We use pots, pans, and saucepans to cook different dishes. The refrigerator keeps our food fresh, while the pantry cabinet stores our dry goods like pasta, rice, and cereal. We can also boil water for tea or coffee using the kettle. Overall, the kitchen is a place where we create delicious meals for ourselves and our loved ones.